So we are all aware that mask is our best possible protection to protect ourselves from the infection, especially because it blocks the most vulnerable points, which is the mouth and the nose. The government has also made mask wearing compulsory. However, now even the epidemiologists from Iowa Hospital in Tokyo have recommended face shield apart from that of the mask, and it is also because perhaps it is a better way to protect ourselves as a whole, including the eyes, and also is more durable in the times of the pandemic. Dr. Sherry Yu, a dermatology resident affiliated with Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston, also vouched for face shields, saying that the nice thing about face shield is that it can be de-sterilized and cleaned by the user, so it becomes reusable indefinitely until there is either a breakage or a crack. In fact, a simple alcohol wipe or a rinse with soap and hot water on the face shield is all it takes for the shield to be containment free again. Now, as opposed to this, remember, whether it is the surgical mask or even the N95 mask or any regular cloth mask also that you have, is while a very good protection, but definitely may not be as durable and as workable in terms of its solution as is a face shield, which is definitely can last longer and is easier to clean and protects your face a little bit better. And importantly, remember, the mask can sometimes be shifted up and down. Some people wear it incorrectly, while a face shield completely covers for one and till the time you're wearing that a face shield on your face. It covers it as a whole. There is absolutely no chance of it being worn incorrectly or it really being played around so that the infection can touch your face. So let's take a look now and compare a face mask and a face shield, and therefore discuss the pros and cons so that you can decide best that if you have an option, which way you need to go. Let's begin the cons of the face mask first. A mask is difficult to disinfect at home. It makes it difficult to communicate or talk to others sometimes while you're wearing a face mask. It is also not durable and requires touching your face to even put or adjust it. Likewise, a face mask then becomes a bit uncomfortable and also difficult to breathe in. The one big pro or the positive of a face mask is that it can actually cover the whole side, and both sides of your face can sometimes just below the eyes to about your neck, and that it can cover properly, especially if it's a cloth mask and longer stretch. That is what it helps the most. Now, importantly, if we make the same comparison to the face shield, we realize that there are actually more positives than cons of using a face shield. What are the positives? Let's take a look. For face shields are easy to disinfect and easy for manufacturers to make. It can be easily re-washed or reused. It prevents the wearer from touching one's face. It is also comfortable and also breathable. So if you're trying to buy a face shield, how much does it cost? There are several IITians who have decided to even make a low-cost face shield. For now, it seems that the manufacturing cost of a face shield is about 40 rupees. But by the time it does sell, when it's completely packed, it's about 200 to 400 rupees. Now, the money and the amount may vary for the face shield, but as of now, this, depending on the quality and depending on different companies as well, this could be the variation of the face shield if you intend to buy. So the conclusion is that for now, yes, face mask is more commonly available. People can make it at home, and it is going to be for a while that face mask will be more commonly used and seen on the streets of the country. There are also not many studies that have been done with the face shield to prove that it is definitely better than a face mask or not. However, considering how the hospitals have been using it for longer, we've recently seen a lot of people in airlines as well that have resumed wearing a face shield. It definitely goes on to show that there is definitely more trust and in some ways an understanding that the face shield is keeping your face safer. You don't easily get to touch your face, and therefore keeping the germs and the infection hopefully at bay.